In this video, we're talking about DoubleZero token, legit or just scam. So before purchase this token, do your own personal research and let's get started. This is a high performance global network and this is a link bring and network for everyone. This is the website, guys. This is used by 300 plus validators around the globals and growing. This collab with all this platform like Coinbase, staking facilities, and Galaxy, and Stake and Figma, and all this platform. If I click connect this option, guys, you can connect your wallet here. Just click connect here, and you can start using this token. You have documentation here. This is fastest block propagations and scalability and decentralizations platform. This is decentralization platform, guys. If I scroll down, I see this token to distribution on the wallet. If I scroll down, I see some powered by all these contributions with Jump, Galaxy, and all distributed global. The price of this token is $0.54 with all-time high $1.13. The bullish is 70%, the bearish is 13%. With 1.2 thousand votes. I see some engaging here on the community with last day, last 14 hours, last 16 hours, all this engaging, guys. Total supply almost 10 billion on this token. The max supply is 10 billion also. The holders is almost 5,000 members. This token, guys, if I check when listed, I see this token listed on Binance, on Bybit and Upbit and Binance Alpha and Bitget. This is all the popular exchange platform listed. This is also good indicator. So guys, if I check some indicator here on this token, I see holders almost 5,000, as I say, with a low and huge transfer, guys. Last 1 minute. This is good and huge amount of transfer. This is, keep in mind this point here. So guys, before investing on this token, I give this token the 8 on 10, and this is not financial advice. The token have also a strong community on Discord, on YouTube, on X. This is a good indicator.